Halo para jagoan. Di video kali ini saya akan membagikan percakapan pendek bahasa Inggris yang sering diucapkan di kehidupan sehari-hari. Simak videonya sampai habis, jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Coba kulihat.
Let me see. Let me see.
Jangan bodoh.
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
Jangan pilih kasih.
Don't be patrial. Don't be patrial.
Jangan bersedih.
Don't be sad. Don't be sad.
Jangan lupa.
Don't forget. Don't forget.
Tunggu sebentar.
Wait minute. Wait minute.
Doakan aku berhasil.
Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
Sering-sering kesini ya.
Come here often. Come here often.
Geser dikit dong.
Move a bit. Move a bit.
Tidak ada kata menyerah.
No saying die. No saying die.
Jangan ikut campur.
Stop butting in. Stop butting in.
Hadapi apa adanya.
Do it what it is. Do it what it is.
Jangan sentuh aku.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Tak ambil pusing.
Not to mind. Not to mind.
Jangan tergesa-gesa.
Take your time. Take your time.
Gantikan aku.
Take my place. Take my place.
Terserah kamu aja.
Up to you. Up to you.
Untuk apa?
What for? What for?
Untuk siapa?
For whom? For whom?
Tentang apa?
What about? What about?
Jalan kaki.
On foot. On foot.
Mau nggak mau?
Willy-nilly. Willy-nilly.
Apa boleh buat?
What to be done? What to be done?
Antri dong.
Get into line. Get into line.
Ayo.
Come on. Come on.
Sini sebentar.
Come here moment. Come here moment.
Nggak ada gunanya.
It's no use. It's no use.
Dari pintu ke pintu.
Door to door. Door to door.
Ide yang bagus.
Good-eyed. Good-eyed.
Kelihatannya.
Seemingly. Seemingly.
Kapanpun.
Whenever. Whenever.
Setiap hari.
Every day. Every day.
Serentak.
At once. At once.
Jaga bahasamu.
Lick your lips. Lick your lips.
Sebelah kanan.
On the right. On the right.
Sebelah kiri.
On the left. On the left.
Sementara.
While. While.
Dengan siapa?
With whom? With whom?
Pegang janjimu.
Keep your promise. Keep your promise.
Santai aja.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Pada umumnya.
In general. In general.
Cepatlah.
Be quick. Be quick.
Jangan menangis.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Selalu khawatir dan mengeluh tidak akan menyelesaikan masalah.
Always worrying and complaining won't solve the problem.